What's up, Greens and Cornbread family? We are back with another video. Today I am going to be making steak, eggs, and grits. Right here I have started my grits. I'm going to add a little bit of butter and 1 cup of grits, and we're going to get that started. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, so my grits were a little bit too thick. So I got them just to my liking, thick like me. Now let's go on over to this steak. Alrighty, so now I'm about to season my steak up with some steak seasoning, salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some adobo, a little chicken bouillon, and you can season your steak however you like, but this is how I like to season mine. Make sure y'all season both sides of your steak so both sides can taste the same. Once you got that steak nice and seasoned, make sure you get you a hot pan, put you some oil and some butter in it, and some garlic and some onions so you can go ahead and get that flavor into the steak. Sear your steak on both sides for about 6 minutes. Alrighty, so now it's time to crank it up a notch. I added some butter into my pan. I want to put a crust on my steak because it's going to be extra delicious like that. Now look at how beautiful this steak has came out. We're going to take it out the pan and we're going to let it sit and we're going to let it rest. So now I'm going to get started on my eggs since my grits are done now. Let's get to it. I cleaned my pan. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of butter and then I'm going to add my eggs. All right, y'all, so everything is done. Them grits is looking lovely. I loaded them with bacon and cheese. There's that beautiful juicy steak. Okay, look at me and those eggs, y'all. I dropped some of the eggs, but I put them right on back in the pan because they did not fall on the floor. No egg gets left behind. This breakfast slash brunch slash dinner slash all in one looks amazing. My husband loved it that he ate all of it up from me, and I didn't even get to get one bite.
Sure right.
That's him in the background, y'all. Ooh wee. And you know I gotta put me a little beverage with it. Alrighty, you guys. I just want to thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified once we post videos, and also subscribe to our channel. See you later, Greens and Cornbread family. We are out.